Hi everyone, my name is Manya Tyagi. I have 4 years of experience into the data role, and a lot of people have asking me the same question again and again on YouTube as well as on LinkedIn, that how I have transitioned from a non-technical degree to a data analyst role, what things I have followed, and how to do that having a BCom degree. So I will just explain those pointers so that it will help you to proceed in your career. I have done my school with commerce plus math background. Then I get into Delhi University for my undergraduation. Since commerce ke baad we don't have much option, so similarly I have also followed the BCom path, which is pretty common after doing commerce. So I get into Delhi University. Then I thought that it is going to be a simple thing because हमारे पास यही अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि कॉलेज करेंगे फिर प्लेसमेंट लगेगा एंड देन यू विल गेट अ गुड जॉब. That is the same thing which I also have in my mind. Disregard whatever things explained by my sister saying skill kar lo, koi skill development aana chahiye. Then you should have your career path. You should know what particular role you are getting to. But since that was a very early stage for me, so I was having the same understanding ki placement to lagega hi last mein, why to learn so much, right? So that was decent. Matlab, I have taken part in a lot of college societies. I have developed my skills in terms of communication and how to handle team and all of that, but not some hard skills. Like I have not learned something which can get me into a technical role basically. So I set for the placements and everything was decent. I get into one of the good edtech company as a sales counselor. एंड ड्यू के प्लेसमेंट्स जो लोग ड्यू में नहीं है वो ये सोचते हैं कि बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट या इट्स डिसेंट फॉर द नॉर्थ कैंपस और साउथ कैंपस, बट more or less BCom and everything will get into the sales itself. So but I was happy at that time because मेरे साथ के लोगों के प्लेसमेंट नहीं लग रहे थे और मेरा लग गया था, तो आई वॉज हैप्पी कि चलो अच्छा है प्लेसमेंट हो गया एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि what kind of problems I will face later on. I joined that company, and later on I have realized that this is not something which is for me because I'm not getting that kick in that particular job. It was a hardcore sale where we are calling people and explaining them to buy this and all of that. So then I talked to my sister, and then she mentioned that you have to go into some data related role because that is a booming sector. And this is a technical degree, yes, but still companies are considering a non-technical people as well. So I discussed this thing with my sister and my brother-in-law, and then I taken one course for data analytics, and I left that job as well. So now you can see that from which part I am coming from. Having a good understanding कि placement के बाद सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा, and after joining that company for a month, I have realized कि ये नहीं सही है, and I left that job without any backup plan basically. Then I done that course for a couple of months, and after doing that course also I didn't get the job because it was time of 2022 where we have recession in the market and no one is giving the jobs for the non-technical people as such, or specifically in the data role basically. But during that time I have developed a skill set which is required in the data role. Like I know Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Python and all of that. So मुझे ये तो था कि स्किल तो मेरी स्ट्रांग है, इट्स जस्ट दैट मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही. जिस दिन मेरे पास कोई ऑफर आएगा टू गिव द इंटरव्यू एनीथिंग, I will able to crack it. That kind of confidence I have achieved in that particular 4-5 months. बट कोई एज सच रिज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्ट नहीं हो रहे थे, कोई इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल नहीं हो पा रहा था. जो एक दो हुए भी, सिंस वो मेरा फर्स्ट टेक्निकल राउंड था तो मैं क्लियर नहीं कर पाई बिकॉज आपको स्किल आती है, दैट इज ट्रू, बट आप उसको कितने अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर पाते हो, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग ऑल टुगेदर. सो आई सेट फॉर कपल ऑफ इंटरव्यूज बट इट वॉज नॉट दैट ग्रेट. द कोर्स विच आई हैव टेकन, दे हैव ऑल्सो मेंशन कि हम आपको 100% प्लेसमेंट देंगे एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट वो भी कुछ नहीं हुआ बिकॉज उस टाइम मार्केट भी काफ़ी ख़राब था. सो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि सिंस बहुत ज़्यादा करियर गैप आ जाएगा, बिकॉज आपने 4-5 मंथ एक्सप्लेन कर दिया कि आप कोर्स कर रहे थे, उसके बाद आप क्या एक्सप्लेन करोगे, राइट? आप ये तो नहीं बोल सकते कि आप 1 साल तक कोई स्किल ही सीख रहे थे, बिकॉज सबको पता है कि इतना टाइम नहीं लगता है. तो मैंने सोचा कि कोई बात नहीं, कोई डेटा एनालिस्ट रोल नहीं मिलता, मैं कोई भी मुझे रिलेटेड रोल भी मिलेगा, सो आई विल गेट इनटू दैट. So then I joined Enelect India for a junior associate role. Like it was a graduate trainee program initially, but later on it was converted into a junior associate role basically. So I joined that, and that was a kind of an internship which you can consider. I was getting 12-13,000 stipend at that time, and I worked there for 2-3 months. Then I converted into a junior associate, and at that time also I was started applying for the different roles because मुझे ये पता था कि मुझे अभी रोल नहीं मिला है, बट मुझे इन फ्यूचर जाना डेटा रोल में ही है. सो मेरा डे वन से उस जॉब में जाने के बाद भी एक चीज क्लियर थी कि मुझे जैसे ही अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी आई विल गेट इन टू दैट. सो मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली अप्लाई कर रही थी, बट स्टिल सिंस आपका एक्सपीरियंस अभी 4-5 मंथ्स ही है, तो यू आर नॉट गेटिंग थिंग्स इन दैट सेंस. ऑल्सो वो हार्ड कोडेड डेटा रोल नहीं था, तो अगर इंटरव्यू होता भी तो व्हाट विल आई मेंशन, इट वाज मोर और लेस फ्रेशर थिंग फॉर मी इन दैट सेंस एज वेल. सो आई हैव रियलाइज कि मेरे पास स्किल सेट है, बट मुझे ये नहीं पता कि उसको अप्लाई कैसे करना है. राइट, आपने वी लुकअप सीख तो लिया, बट अगर आपसे कोई ये पूछेगा कि बताओ वी लुकअप कहाँ लगाओगे, तो यू डोंट हैव दोज एग्जाम्पल्स बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट वर्कड ऑन द रियल प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. और मे बी एसक्यूएल में आपको पता है कि विंडो फंक्शन क्या है, बट विंडो फंक्शन का आपको रियल लाइफ में यूज करना कहाँ है, वो चीज क्लैरिटी नहीं आ रही थी. और इंटरव्यू में अगर आप ये बोलते हो कि यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस, सो दे विल आस्क यू दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन रादर देन ये बताओ कि वी लुकअप लगता कैसे है. वो पूछेंगे कि अच्छा आपने एक्सेल पे काम किया, कौन कौन सा फंक्शन लगाए, किस सिनेरियोज में लगाए, क्या केस स्टडी सॉल्व करी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड सजेस्टेड मी कि तुम टीचिंग का ट्राई कर सकते हो बिकॉज योर कॉन्सेप्चुअल नॉलेज इज वेरी गुड. So there is one person who was working as LTI as a senior data analyst, and he was not very proficient in SQL. He was working there as a senior data analyst, but not proficient in SQL, which is again a red flag, but still it's fine. So he mentioned कि you will assist me in SQL queries and everything, and I will pay you for that, like whatever is your charges and all that. उस टाइम पे मेरा अर्निंग से मतलब नहीं था. I just wanted to get into the real world basically, कि मैं वो डेटा सेट देख पाऊँ, वो मैं क्वेरी पे हेल्प कर पाऊँ, सो दैट मेरी भी कॉन्सेप्चुअल नॉलेज को थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज और प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज सब चीज़ें इंक्रीज हों ऑल टुगेदर. सो देन आई गिवन हिम कपल ऑफ क्लासेस एंड देन आई हैव रियलाइज कि जो चीज़ हम पढ़ते हैं और जो चीज़ हमें अप्लाई करनी होती है दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट. आपने एक 4-5 लाइन की क्वेरी लिखकर क्वेश्चन तो सॉल्व कर दिया, बट the things which you are going to apply in the real world, that is going to be a different thing altogether. So I have given him a couple of classes and then I started thinking into the teaching sense as well, कि कोई बात नहीं, मेरी अभी जॉब नहीं लग रही, तो एटलीस्ट आई विल ट्राई कि अगर मेरा कोई टीचिंग में भी हो जाए, सो दैट एटलीस्ट मैं वो डेटा सेट और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल डेवलप कर पाऊँ. सो आई हैव मेड माई प्रोफाइल इन कपल ऑफ टीचिंग प्लेटफॉर्म. If you wanted to know more about that journey ki kaun sa teaching platform, how to start and all of that, you can just let me know in the comment and we will have a separate video on that. So I done those teaching part, and like eventually I was able to understand conceptual as well as practical thing. Then I applied again. मैंने अपना resume भी accordingly update किया क्योंकि अब मुझे पता था कि कैसे करना है या फिर किस तरीके की प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट सॉल्व करते हैं. तो इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट नोइंग VLOOKUP. Now I also know how to apply it. So then I updated my resume a little bit. Still, resume भी आप अप्लाई कर लोगे BCom डिग्री के बाद, तो बहुत कम चांसेस हैं कि आपके पास सामने से कॉल आएगी. एंड आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द ट्रूथ. आई एम नॉट जस्ट बटरिंग यू हियर. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू कि जो भी चीज मेरे साथ हुई है, सो दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द रियलिटी. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं गई, मैंने एक जगह अप्लाई किया और मेरी जॉब लगी, ऐसा नहीं है. सो फिर भी नहीं आ रही थी कॉल्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. मुझे जॉब करते हुए भी मोर और लेस 1 year हो गया था, and my salary was somewhere around 3-4 LP, and I was not very happy with that because मुझे पता था कि मेरी स्किल सेट है, मैंने एक नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से आकर टेक्निकल स्किल डेवलप करी है, जो मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता था. एंड आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बट स्टिल आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द थिंग्स व्हिच आई नीड टू हैव. सो उस टाइम पे भी काइंड ऑफ अ डीमोटिवेटेड environment which is surrounded by myself because of my own thoughts and overthinking. सो आई रियलाइज कि कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, मतलब अगर ये वाला तरीका काम नहीं कर रहा तो आई हैव टू फिगर आउट समथिंग एल्स एज वेल. सो देन आई हैव स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन लिंक्डइन कि लिंक्डइन को थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करते हैं, मे बी इससे कुछ हेल्प मिल जाए. सो आई स्टार्टेड पोस्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स ऑन लिंक्डइन. देन आई स्टार्टेड रीचिंग आउट बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप अप्लाई करते हो तो स्टिल वो इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ता. अगर आपका कोई नोन है या फिर कुछ आपको हेल्प मिल सकती है, दैट विल बी अ ग्रेट हेल्प. सो one of my friend or colleague, you can consider, who done the course with me, that data analytics course, he referred me with one of the EY hiring person basically. So he taken my interviews and it went very well. Like all the technical rounds and everything was very good. But since Kismet, I given a couple of interviews there. सब कुछ हो गया था, like salary तक discuss हो गई थी, and I don't know what happened, but they just blocked that particular role for a couple of times, like put that particular thing on hold, and they have mentioned that right now we are freezing the hiring and we are not hiring anyone for this role. So again, it was a very bad experience for me. So after that also I applied for a couple of things and still I was not getting anything. Again, EY has reached out again saying ki dobara opening. I have done interviews for that. They have asked me for an offline interview. I went there, but still it was not positive. I don't know what is happening at that particular point of time, but everything comes out to be a negative thing basically. Then my like known person have referred me for Ola, and then I get into that as a business analyst role, and that was a very good experience for me. Like, giving the interviews and then cracking that, and then you are into the role which you are targeting basically. But after a couple of months, because of some issues, I was not able to make to Ola as well. Like, I joined it, but later on I have realized that this is also not something for me, and I left that job. But I have something in my hand at that time, because मुझे वो चीज़ experience नहीं करनी थी दोबारा, that you left something without having any backup plan basically. So I already been in touch with Lisinski law firm HR team, and it was all positive. And then I left Ola and then joined Lisinski law firm as a data analyst role. And from the last 2 years, I am just working on that role itself. So it was a very hard journey for me, I would say, but I have this thing very clear in my mind that I have to get into that data role, because abhi to mere paas time hai, right? I'm just starting off my career. There is no foundation, there is no restrictions. Like, I can do freely whatever I want, and also there is no liabilities that I can take risk basically. So that is why I left a couple of things and then joined, and I have done those things very often, because I wanted to reach at the point where I feel that I'm now comfortable, now I'm enjoying my role and all of that. The only thing which I want to mention here is, you will only see that people are coming from non-technical and going into the data role, but you won't realize what are the things which they have faced. So सबकी जर्नी इतनी आसान नहीं है जितनी आपको सोशल मीडिया पे दिख रही है. They have done so much struggle to get into that particular role, and that is the only thing which you have to also do. Struggle तो है ही, but you are coming from either from the non-technical or technical. If you wanted to go into a good company, there is some kind of struggle which you have to also face. The only thing which you can do is learn from others' experiences, that what are the mistakes which Manya has done which I will not do, what are the mistakes which I have done. If I just elaborate that, college में figure out कर लो कि what you have to do. Don't waste that particular time considering कि हमें placement मिलेगा तब हम बैठेंगे, right? Second is develop some hard skills. Soft skills is important, no doubt in that, but develop some hardcore skills as well, which will help you to stand out on that particular sense. Third is work on your soft skills as well. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको Excel Power BI आ गया तो आपकी life sorted है. No, you should have a good soft skills as well, and in that the main important thing is communication. So you have to work on communication as well. So these are the few things which you have to figure out. And also the one last thing, I suggest surround yourself with good friends who motivate you rather than demotivating, because I remember when I was struggling and I was figuring it out, a lot of people are just come and say, why you are doing this? You are doing teaching for money, or a lot of things, because I was posting on LinkedIn, so they were saying, क्या होगा इससे? कौन help करेगा? Or they make fun of you in groups. So these are the things which comes also in that particular path. So just try to have good friends who motivate you basically, and because eventually you will be in the good position. So thank you so much for this particular video. If you have any other question for me in any domain, you can just let me know in the comment section, and I will make that for you for the next time. So thank you so much for this time. I will see you in the next video, and all the best for your data journey. Thank you.